In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Google Slides presentation efficiently. Google Slides is a versatile and widely used tool perfect for creating presentations. However, knowing how to properly save your work is crucial to ensure your ideas are secure and can be accessed later. Let's dive in and cover the simple steps to save your Google Slides presentation. First things first, you need to navigate to Google Slides. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in slidesgoogle.com. Once you've arrived at the Google Slides page, you'll sign in using your Google account credentials. This is essential as it ensures that all your works are saved to your drive and can be accessed from anywhere. If you don't have an account yet, it's a good idea to create one. It's free and it comes with a plethora of features besides just storage. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you have the option to start a new presentation from scratch by selecting the blank presentation option, or if you prefer, you can choose from various templates available that suit your needs. Templates can be very handy in providing a polished structure from the outset. Once your presentation is open and you've made your changes or additions, it's time to save your work to your local device. Start by clicking on the File menu located in the top left corner of the page. This opens a drop-down menu with a variety of options. From this menu, hover over the Download option. This action will reveal a sub-menu showing different formats you can save your file as. Now this is where you decide which format suits you best. Google Slides allows you to download your presentation as a Microsoft PowerPoint file, a PDF document, a plain text file, or even as images among others. If you're planning to present using a device that doesn't support Google Slides directly, downloading as a PowerPoint file is a recommended option. Alternatively, saving as a PDF is ideal for ensuring that your presentation looks the same on any device. After choosing your preferred format, your computer will proceed to download the slide deck. Depending on your browser settings, you might be prompted to choose where you'd like to save it, or it might automatically save to your default download folder. Make sure to remember the location or move it to a folder where you can easily retrieve it later. In just a few straightforward steps, you've securely saved your Google Slides presentation. With these instructions, you are now equipped to handle your presentations confidently. Remember, practicing these steps will make the process feel second nature over time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.